Imagine arriving at your campsite and setting up your tent in just 2 to 3 minutes, without stress, tools, or experience. That's exactly what this automatic inflatable tent for 4 people offers. This tent is designed for campers, families, and travelers who want comfort and convenience without the hassle of traditional tents. With its built-in air pump and inflatable air column system, all you need is one click, and the tent inflates automatically. No poles, no complicated setup. The tent is made from professional-grade materials, combining durable 210T polyester with strong 300D Oxford fabric. This gives it excellent tear resistance and long-lasting reliability for outdoor use. It's also built to handle different weather conditions. With a PU 5000 mm waterproof rating, strong wind resistance, and UPF 50+ sun protection, this tent keeps you dry, stable, and protected in rain, wind, and sunlight. Instead of metal poles, the tent uses thick TPU inflatable air columns that are flexible, odor-free, and extremely durable. They provide better stability and comfort, even in windy environments. Inside, the tent offers a spacious interior that comfortably fits up to 4 people. It includes 2 doors and 2 windows with mosquito screens, plus top ventilation vents to keep fresh air flowing while keeping insects out. This tent is perfect for camping trips, beach outings, music festivals, family picnics, and traveling adventures. It's portable, easy to carry, and comes with a compact storage bag. If you're looking for a fast, strong, and comfortable camping tent, this inflatable tent is an excellent choice. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability, and get ready to enjoy your outdoor adventures with ease and comfort.